Good morning everyone. Today we are going to solve exercise 7.1. Our first question is in quadrilateral ACBD. This is our quadrilateral. In this AC equals to AD we have given and AB is the bisect of angle A. Okay, so we have to show that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD and we have to find out what about the BC and BD. क्या BC and BD भी equal है? So that thing we have to find out. So first I'm going to draw the diagram of question number 1. It looks like this. This is our AC and this is our BD. This is the point C, this is point A, this is point B and this is point D. Okay, and in our question this is AC is equal to AD and AB is the bisect of angle A. Okay, so you can see in this quadrilateral we have given AC equals to AD. Okay, and now we have to prove that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. Okay, so as you know, to prove any triangle, to prove any two triangle congruent, what we have to do, we have to find out three things in that particular triangle. Doesn't matter whether it is an angle, that doesn't matter, it is a side angle, side or side angle. So you can see from this figure that AC is equal to AD and angle BAC is also equal to angle BAD. Why? Because AB bisect angle A. And the third thing is AB is common to both the triangle. So you can say by using three things, this is the side angle, side property. You can say that these two triangles are congruent. ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. Okay, and as you know that if two triangles are congruent, their all sides and all angles are equal, it means we can say BD is also equal to BC. Okay, that was your question number 1. Now we are going to solve question number 2. It is ABCD is a quadrilateral, okay, in which AD is equals to BC and angle DAB is equals to angle CBA. Now we have to prove that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC and we have to prove that BD equals to BC. जो BD हमें दे रखा है वो equal है किसके, AC के. And we also have to prove that angle ABD, that means this angle is also equal to BAC, इस एंगल के इक्वल है. ये चीज़ हमें प्रूव करनी है. सो अगेन पहले डायग्राम को ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं. आर क्वाड्रिलेटरल लुक लाइक दिस. ओके, ये हमारा क्वाड्रिलेटरल है एज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. नाउ दिस इज पॉइंट ए, दिस इज बी, दिस इज सी एंड दिस इज डी. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वी टेक द ट्राइंगल ABD एंड BAC. क्योंकि हमें इन दोनों को कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव करना है तो हम कौन सा ट्राइंगल लेंगे. सबसे पहले ABD, दिस वन ABD, एंड सेकेंड ट्राइंगल हम लेंगे BAC, दिस वन. एक तो हम ट्राइंगल लेंगे ये ऊपर वाला और सेकेंड ये वाला ABD. ठीक है, तो इन बोथ ऑफ द ट्राइंगल, इन ट्राइंगल ABD and BAC, this is also a triangle, we can see that AD equals to BC, which is also given in a question कि AD equal है किसके, BC के. ये साइड इसके equal है. ओके, एंड जो एंगल है DAB that is also equal to CBA. ठीक है, ये दोनों चीज़ें हमें given है in this question. Next thing we can see that AB is common in both the triangle, right? So by using side angle side property we can say that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. Okay, ये हमने प्रूव कर दिया. and if these two triangle are congruent it means BD equals to AC is also equal. Why? By using CPCT. CPCT क्या है, corresponding part of congruent triangle. Okay, and again the angle ABD is also equal to angle BAC by using CPCT. Okay, next question is question number 3. In this question we have AD and BC are equal perpendicular to a line. We have AD and BC perpendicular है line AB के. We have to show that CD bisect AB. हमें शो करना है कि जो CD है ये bisect कर रहा है AB को. Okay, so we can solve this. First we have to draw the diagram. This is our third question. Okay, and हमें सबसे पहले AB एक लाइन सेगमेंट दे रखा है एंड CD आर द परपेंडिकुलर ऑफ दिस. ये A है, ये B है, दिस इज C एंड दिस इज D. एंड वी हैव टू प्रूव दैट CD बाइसेक्ट AB. हमें क्या प्रूव करना है कि जो CD है ये बाइसेक्ट कर रहा है AB को. ओके, सो टू सॉल्व दिस वी अगेन टेक ट्राइंगल BOC. कौन कौन सा ट्राइंगल लेंगे हम? दिस इज पॉइंट O, BOC, and we also take triangle AOD. तो in triangle BOC and in triangle AOD we can say that angle OBC, जो हमारा एंगल है OBC, that is equal to angle OAD, क्योंकि दोनों 90 डिग्री के हैं. एंगल OBC is equal to angle OAD, each of 90 degree. Okay, second thing we can say that BOC is also equal to AOD, क्योंकि वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल है. एंगल BOC is also equal to angle AOD. Why? Because these are vertically opposite angle. Okay, next thing we can say that BC equals to AD, क्योंकि ये हमें क्वेश्चन के अंदर गिवन है. सो बाय यूजिंग एंगल साइड प्रॉपर्टी we can say that triangle BOC is congruent to triangle AOD. Right? Similar way, this is the AAS criteria, angle side criteria. तो अब हमें क्या प्रूव करना था? That CD is the bisector of AB. So if these two triangle are congruent, so we can say OC is also equal to OD. Right? So that's why we can say that CD क्या कर रहा है? Bisect कर रहा है AB को. Okay? Next question is question number 4. According to question number 4, we can say that L and M are the two parallel lines. We have L line and M two parallel lines that are intersected by another pair of lines, that is P and Q. So we have to show that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. ये दोनों triangle congruent है, ये हमें prove करना है. Okay, so दिस इज़ ऑल्सो अ ईजी क्वेश्चन. हमारे पास टू पैरेलल लाइन है, दिस इज़ ML एंड दिस इज़ M, एंड दिस वी हैव टू ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन दैट इज़ P एंड Q, जो पैरेलल हैं अगेन L एंड M के. ओके, एंड वी हैव टू प्रूव दैट ABC, जो ट्राइंगल है ABC इज इक्वल टू कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू ट्राइंगल CDA. ओके, तो एज यू नो दैट L एंड M आर दी पैरेलल लाइन्स. राइट? सो AC क्या है हमारे पास? ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन है, क्योंकि ये क्या कर रहा है? इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है पैरेलल लाइंस को, LM को. ओके, सो वी कैन से दैट एंगल ACB इज ऑल्सो इक्वल टू DAC. ACB इक्वल है DAC के, बिकॉज ये क्या है? अल्टरनेट एंगल्स हैं. राइट? सो P and Q इज ऑल्सो पैरेलल. राइट? तो AC भी क्या होगा? ट्रांसवर्सल होगा P and Q के भी. अगर हम इस फिगर को इस तरीके से लेते हैं तो ये भी क्या है? ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन है, जो ये AC है P and Q के भी. ओके, सो इन दैट केस एंगल BAC इज ऑल्सो इक्वल टू एंगल ACD, बिकॉज दीज आर ऑल्सो अल्टरनेट एंगल. ओके, नाउ वी कैन सी इन द ट्राइंगल ABC and triangle CDA that angle ACB is also equal to angle DAC. जो angle ACB है that is also equal to angle DAC. ठीक है, ये हम ऑलरेडी देख चुके हैं ऊपर. एंड सेकेंड थिंग वी हैव सीन दैट एंगल BAC इज ऑल्सो इक्वल टू एंगल ACD. ये भी चीज़ हम ऊपर देख चुके हैं. ठीक है, थर्ड थिंग इज AC इज कॉमन इन बोथ द ट्राइंगल. सो इफ वी हैव टू एंगल्स are equal and one side is equal, so by using AAC we can say that these two triangle are congruent. Triangle ABC are congruent to triangle CDA. CDA. Okay, that thing we have to prove और हमने proof कर दिया है. Okay, next question is question number 5. So question number 5 states that line L is the bisector of an angle A. यहाँ पे line L है, this is the bisector of angle A. Okay, and B is any point on L. ये B point है, ये L line के ऊपर है, and BP and BQ are perpendicular, right? ये BP and BQ perpendicular है to the arm of angle L. We have to prove that triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB, and the second thing we have to prove that BP is also equal to BQ, and it is B is equidistant from the arm angle A. ये चीज़ भी हमें prove करनी है. Okay, so we prove this. First हम क्या करेंगे, डायग्राम को ड्रॉ करेंगे. Okay, and our diagram is look like this. This is our point A. This is these are two rays, and here we have a line L. Okay, and here we have a point B. This is A, and it is having perpendicular. This is point Q and this is point P. Perpendicular means this is of 90 degree. Okay, so as you can see in the question, we have given that line L is the bisector of angle A. जो ये line L है, ये क्या है, bisector है angle A का. So we can say angle BAP is equal to BAQ. BAP equal to होगा BAQ के, क्योंकि ये bisector है, right? Next thing is angle BPA is also equal to angle BQA. Why? Because both are 90 degree, right? And we can say that AB is also equal to AB. दोनों triangles के अंदर AB common है, तो we can say that these two triangles are congruent. APB is congruent to triangle AQB. Similar way we can say जब ये दोनों triangles congruent हैं, तो it means BP equal to हो जाएगा BQ. Okay, congruent proof करने के बाद CP/CT से we can prove that these two lines are also equal. Okay, that's it. Thank you everyone.